What happened? Okay, it's connected. So what we need to do? We need to we need to write the comment because it is a or that API need to check. Okay, so our API is ready. So what we need to do? We need to work on the last day. Okay, today we want to do, there is another three functions. One is the edit, delete, and view. Edit, delete, and view. These are the three functions. First we can do, first function is the view. First function we can do as a view. So let's check. Okay. What happened? No, 1 minute. Okay, so value is coming here. Okay, so last day, all of your this get function is working. Now we want to do. Let me clarify you. This is the okay. Today we want to do view functionality. We want to do view functionality. So first, what we need to do? Okay, first functionality. All of you write this code. Okay, to yes, last day we have done create employee. Everybody done? Please respond. That create and view list of view. Everybody done?
I haven't done, sir. Actually, I haven't get the last video session recording.
Last video session recording is that also not shared last day. Okay, anyway.
You haven't shared last video.
Okay, 1 minute. So okay, those who have done last day, anybody here who have completed last day 2 functionality? Anybody here?
Yes, sir, completed.
Okay, so I will also give some special responsibility to Mega so that she can also guide everybody, help also. So today we want to do functionality for to get a particular employee. We want to get a particular employee. So what is the change? First things, everybody write this code, get employee by ID, and because ID is a parameter and it is a observable return type, not array. It is a single object. Ultimate object is a employee. Ultimate object is employee. Then this dot HTTP client get dot employee, and you are passing a value as a parameter URL / ID. You can write this code, or otherwise you can just simple URL and then /ID, then /ID. So all of you, everybody, you write this code in your project. In your project, just this service layer, you write this code. Okay, everybody do this code, set up this code in your system and service layer. Those who have done MSc service layer, you set code, and but every line of code you need to understand, that is you need to type by yourself. So who can share screen on it? Can Devajyoti share your screen, Devajyoti?
Yes.
Okay, share your screen. So first you need to do this in service layer. Okay, which code I have given you, and you need to customize according to your way.
In impact service.
In service layer, in employee service.
Yes.
Okay, and scroll down. You have done 2 methods last year, create method and get method. Now create a, okay, line number 26, enter. Now you can create a method. Already I have given some supportive things in chat box. You can take help, but you need to write a method, new method. Write a new method here. Okay, everybody try to understand what he is doing. This is a service layer we have done. Okay, so what is the get ID? ID particular number, observable employee object, and HTTP client get employee, this dot base URL, and then parameter as an, it is a parameter base URL / ID. Okay, so service layer done. Everybody done service layer. So what is the next? Next we want to do the component layer. Stop share screen. Let me share.
Yes.
Okay, in employee list, actually in employee list, now you need to add in your employee list page, which you have done, and this section is commented, and now you need to do just this section you need to
The
place.
screen is not visible.
Oh,
It's not visible.
sorry. Okay, so we have done service layer. So next, what we need to do in your, if you notice last day I have asked you to comment it here. Now you need to another TD. Okay, this field you need to add. You can keep 3 button, but at least add 1 button first. Okay, 1 button. Okay, so you need to add this button, only 1 button, because rest for timing you keep 1 button. Okay, please share your screen, Devajyoti.
Yes.
Now you need to make your HTML page, employee list components, HTML. In this TD, last TD number, line number 18, you need just push it. Copy paste code. Okay. Now you need to create a view employee method in employee list component.ts. In employee list component.ts, you create a new method here. Okay, first, yes, view employee. Here ID is a parameter. Okay, 1 minute. Can stop share your screen. Okay, view employee. So what you need to do? View employee, you need to write a method view employee. In view employee, you need to write, because it will be moved to separate page. It will move to separate page. So you just need to write view employee ID number and this dot router navigate. So here actually your router will work. Okay, constructor, private employee service, private router. Okay, I have sent the code, ID number, you can just write it, view employee, and here you need to give the path of the routing. Need to give the path of the routing. Okay, Devajyoti, please reshare your screen. Router, you need to create and scroll up, router object in service there, in line number 12, employee service, then give comma. Then private router colon router. No, you have done wrong thing. Go above. Private router colon router is object of router, R capital. Private router object first, colon, then how you have written employee service, private router colon router. First thing is the object, second is a class. The private router R will be small. Okay, scroll down, save, done. So what is your, go to your view employee, okay, routing module, app routing module. Okay, here you need to add another path. Here you need to add another path. Okay, everybody please follow it. You need to get another path. Okay, add the view employee, view hyphen employee. Okay, then comma component. Okay, you have not created component. View employee component, have you created or not?
I am not curious.
Huh?
I am not curious.
You have not created. So you create a component first. You need to create a component first. The view hyphen employee. What is your component name? View employee component. Very good. So now you need to set up the router path. Okay. Oh. So it is, you have given, you have computed na path, router path.
Yes, sir.
So how do you need to do? If it is a router path is working or not, go to browser.
First I have to run this.
Hmm?
I have to run this first.
Showcase to everybody. It is all. Okay. Now go to your employee list component. Employee list component. Scroll down. View employee you have done. Okay. Now you can go to browser. Save and go to browser. Okay. Now go to browser. Check what is happening. Is it or coming or not? Okay. Pages or okay. Click on employee list. Okay. Your employee list not getting data. What is in service layer? Devajyoti, have you set the new path? Go to service layer. Okay. Now go to browser again.
So suddenly data has not come, sir.
Because your service layer is working or not. Okay, in check your service layer, you are getting data or not at present. This, are you getting this data, URL data? What is the problem? It is working in browser? No.
So data has not come, sir.
Okay, okay. Can you go to service layer again?
Yes.
Okay, what is the 582? This is the path 5221 193 92 82. Okay. 1 minute. You are going to get. You are not getting data. 52. Can you paste this URL to Postman? Paste this URL to Postman. Okay, is it working?
I am
Yes.
opening the
Yes, sir.
Okay, API is giving data.
Yes, sir. Onboarding user ID. Welcome to PCS Global Modi Bajpayee Learning Angular project.
Okay, very good. So what is problem? Devojit is facing the problem. It is getting hang. Remove double quotes. Remove double quotes. Okay. Okay, so value is coming here. Huh?
Yes, sir. Value is coming.
Okay, so now go to service layer again. You need to check why it is not working. Same thing. On line number 16, sometimes this character also create problem. This is this. Can you hard code this post here, URL here? Last day you have completed it was working.
Actually, the last day I didn't get the videos actually.
Okay, so paste here.
Replace of digital base here, right?
Replace it. Either you can copy click or you replace it. No. So remove the dollar symbol. Just we are getting data. Okay, anyway, your view button is just showing here. Your view button is showing here. Now you need to click the view. So the moment you will click any view, click any view. Okay, click any view. Yeah, okay, inspect it now. Right click, inspect.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So your data is okay. The moment you are clicking here, 1 minute. Okay, can you scroll across it? Okay, the moment you are clicking view, what is expected? It should take as an ID as a parameter. So this ID is going to as a parameter in our component layer or not. We need to check it. Okay, and go to your component layer again. Employee list component layer. Okay, what is the view? Okay, can you paste the whether this ID is coming here or not? Okay, it is a first of all this view employee page. It will be open the view employee page. It is going to view employee page. I think it is going now.
Yes, sir, it is good.
Oh, it is going there. Okay. Okay, so what we can keep here today, we can keep here. I am not feeling very energetic, feeling tired actually. For a full day, stress is running on. Okay, so today we have done. Okay, what all of you can do only page mapping for view. Map the page. Basic page is running. Again, for update, you need to create a base page. At least you do it. Again, tomorrow we are going to set same time. Okay, just you make this link. Okay, this view part, how data will be insert, I will do it next day. Okay, will it be okay for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tomorrow,
Same time.
tomorrow we'll do the insert part. Okay.
So send the videos last class and today.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to send the both video. Okay, I'll try.
Sir, it's a video of
Okay, sir.
fourth date.
Last day I have sent, not able to send the video. Even I was in a too much stress regarding some my profile changes actually, and today it was some hectic things was running from my side. Anyway, okay, I will try to send video immediately. And okay, today we can close here, and tomorrow
Yes,
we'll
sir.
insert for the this is a view data. We'll just get the data. It is view is very simple. Another 5-10 minutes work, but still we'll do it tomorrow. Okay.
Sir,
Thank you,
means
sir.
after button clicking, the functionality will work, na, sir?
After button click, view a individual record will be able to display, but it will call the service layer. Already we have called the service layer, and from that service layer, it will get the individual value.
Sir, we can use the on-click function of JavaScript.
No.
Here we will not do. We will do the Angular event.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So closing here today's session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Good night, sir.
Adjusted. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.